record. You can,
Yeah.
and even Angelina can. In main session, Angelina can. And then in the breakout room, you can record.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. So, as you guys were listening, yeah. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, brother.
Good evening, brother.
Completed our courses. Yeah. So, now it's time for project submission and some interview. So you guys, the level 1 students can stay in the main session. Others can join the breakout room. So for level 1 students, yeah, Angela will be, yeah, take care. So Angelina will be telling you to share your screens and show your projects. So everyone, keep ready with your project. So you can start doing that. Yeah. Then the thing is, you'll be having 5 minutes to explain your project. What is that? And then Angelina will be asking few questions. Yeah, about your project. Very basic things. What's its purpose and something like that. Yeah. 5 minutes will be having. You should explain about your project. I guess it's clear.
Yes.
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 Level 2 members can join the breakout room. Yeah, Angelina, you can take over.
So I guess everybody submitted their assignments. So wait a second. Okay, now everybody can share your screen and you can show your assignments. So first, who is ready to share their screen and who is ready to explain their code? Anybody can voluntarily come forward. Okay, who have done the assignments, can you put emoji that thumbs up? Yeah, only 2 of them? 3? Only 3 of them? Yeah, okay. So many, okay. 8 members, okay. Okay, so who is ready to do? Like, who is ready to explain the code first? Pragna, can you? Pragna, can you share your screen and explain your code? Okay. Okay, Alan K. Sebastian, can you?
Yes, sister.
You can share your screen and you can explain your code. What you have done, you can just explain it.
Sister, I could not share the screen. I have sent the assignment to Thanishka, sister.
Is it not possible to share your screen? Okay, can you send it to me? I will share the screen.
Okay.
So when Alan send the code, any other can do, any others can explain the code. Pragna, you can you?
Yes.
Okay, you can share your code and you can explain the code, what you have done.
Is my screen visible? Uh, is it
It is visible. You can start explaining.
okay? So, my project is about self introduction and about family introduction. So, in this, I used comments, input, index, uh, arithmetical operations also. So, first, I gave somewhat introduction about what my project is about in comments. Then I took that how many members are there in my family? Uh, Mother, father, sister, and me. Then after I just gave input, print input. I just asked a question: what is the length of family details? And after uh, uh, so this is a list what I used. Then next I gave my age. After that, in which school I, so I just asked to print my school, what is my school name and where it is located. So after that, uh, again I gave my age and my mother's age. So after that, uh, I used arithmetical operation subtraction. So after I and come I gave, and this is output. Uh, is it okay?
Yeah, I just scroll down. I'll, yeah, okay. So what is input, Pragna? Why we are using input?
Is used for the users and they can ask
Yeah. What you said is correct. Can you explain it
like
more deep?
user want to type something like what is our hobby. So hobbies and also like those who can edit our project, it is used for them to type in the
Yeah, yeah. Input is nothing but we are asking the user to enter a value, right?
yes.
Okay, thank you. Then what is string and integer?
String is made up of characters with parentheses and double quotes.
Yeah, then
Integers are the numbers.
okay. Why we are using the comments in the code?
To understand for us and for
Yeah,
uh,
yeah. For the
shortcut.
readability.
Yeah,
Ah, thank you, Pragna. The code was really
yeah.
good. It is good. You have done a great job. So thank you for sharing. You can close your.
Thank you, sis.
Hmm. Next, Trisha,
Yes.
you can share your screen and you can start to explain what you have done.
Is my screen visible?
Yeah, it is visible. Can explain.
So I not have the downloaded one, so I have a screenshot of my code. So can I start explaining?
Yeah, you can.
So first I have printed, this is the data that I have printed here. It is about my trip with my family. So I have printed about it here. So first I have asked it to print hello. So hello. Then I have asked to print, this is the data about my trip. So then I have gave how much members are there in my family. So here I have used the length formula. So here I have given family equals mom, dad, me and bro. Means there are 4 members in my family. So I have find it to ask the length of the family. So here I have typed length of family equals len, and in the parenthesis I have used family. So print family, then print length of the family. So it will print the family members as to the length of the family, means how much members are there in the family. So then here I have used the variables like x equals, first we all had the breakfast in hotel green. So then z equals near to Mandya. So here I have used combining strings. So here combine equals x plus y plus z. Print combine. So as I give print combine, so it will print x, y and z. So it will give a big sentence to us. Then here name equals, so here I have mentioned what all the breakfast I ate. So then print like, then print name 2. Here I have used the list. Print name 2 and print name 3. So it will print the item which is here. Number 3 and number 2. So here I have gave the kilometers like integers. So P equals 30 kilometer, then Q equals 18 kilometer. So print P plus Q. So it will give the exact kilometer so which I have to travel. Then X equals, then we went to Fun World which is located in Bengaluru. So combine X plus Y. Print combine. So here number of dry games was like 15 and number of water games was like 10. So print number of dry games plus number of water games. Name equals input. How was the day today? Print name, and it will give the input to us. So I have this much was the code of I gave this much code, and this was the output which I got. Is this visible?
It is.
So is it okay or?
Yeah, wait a sec. I will read it once. Can you show the output? We can show the code. So why did you exactly do this code? Is there
So simply I have
behind it?
Huh?
Is there any reason behind it to doing this code? Like,
So I have to find out how the code works if I give these informations about a trip. So I thought about doing my introduction. So before in the first or second class, I have done a little bit of my introduction in the Python, but I have not done about this trip. So I thought to do about this. So to find out how I'll get the output.
the code is really good, but you can modify it because you only use the arithmetic operation and the input. You could have used even more things. You have learned more things, right? So you could have used more things and you could have modified it. But still, it is good. You have done a great job, and I liked it. It is good.
Thank you.
So, what is len? Alien. Why we are using it?
So len means it is a short form of length. So
Yeah.
we are using length here because to find, like I have here printed family equals mom, dad, me and bro, right? So here if I get the length of family and equals len of family, means it will find the length of family, means how much members are there in a family. Here there are 4 members in my family, mom, dad, me and bro. So the output is given 4 here. So it is visible here, right? 4.
Yeah.
So we use the length here to find out how much members are there.
Okay, what is index?
Index means it is a group of things which it has, like it is also similar to list. So if I'll give a lot of uh, I think like things to it, and mainly the index starts from 0. So if I give hello, so if I tell it to print name 0, so it will print the h letter. So h is the 0 here, and e will be the first number. As index starts from 0, so e will be the first, then l will be the second, and so on.
Yeah, thank you, Trisha. That was great. Okay, so Alan K. Sebastian, I will share your file.
Yes, sister.
Code. You can explain it. So is my screen visible?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this code is like a password game. And here which I have used code is input integer if and else, and user details is equal to Alan and password. Here are password and its details. Username is equal to input, enter your name. The user will be asking question to us. We should answer to it. User password is equal to integer, input, enter your password. Same, the user will ask question to us. We should answer. We should guess the uh, password and first name. If user details is equal to 0, is equal to username capitalize. If password is correct, the user will be saying you are welcome. If user details is equal to 1, user password, print your login. Just if we give first name, it says you are welcome, and if we give password also, it gives you are logged in, and else print your if the co if the password and first name will be wrong, it will be entered you are the wrong person.
So you're done a little bit upgraded stuff. It is good. It is great. So I like this code. Okay. What Alan K. Sebastian, what is if statement or if if statement? Can you explain what it is?
Yes. If statement
You can
is that,
say it in your own words. It's okay.
like for example, if you um,
Yeah, you can. I'll help you.
in my code, if for example in my code, if user detail is equal to 0, if first name will be entered, it shows you are welcome. Like if that is if
Yeah, okay. Fine then. What is input? Why we are using input?
the user is asking to us.
Okay. So there are two types of data types. What are the two types of data types? Can you say the names of that?
Yes.
You have used in here. One data type you have used here. Can you say what it is?
Input.
No, it's not input.
It is integer.
Yeah, integer. And one more.
Integer.
Lenta.
Integer and input, I think.
No, integer and one more string. So these
Yeah.
two are the data types.
Okay.
So there are many data types, but we only learned two, that is string and input. Sorry, string and integer.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So I'll stop sharing my screen.
Yes.
So the next, who is ready to do? Anyone? Yeah, Ashish, you can. You can share your screen and you can explain the code what you have done.
So this is my code. It's about addition, the arithmetical things such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So when we work it, first it says hello, then this is a program that allows you to calculate. First is addition, and it says to enter the first number. So the code I used is the next is a is equals to integer parenthesis input parenthesis enter the first number. So now we have to enter the first number, and next the second number. So it adds it and gives the answer 11. Now next the first number, and next the second number. Then it subtracts and gives the answer 1. Now multiplication, enter, and now it asks a second number. Now it gives the answer. Now is division, and it asks to enter the first number and the second number, and it gives the answer, and that's it. And I have used code readability to understand the other user more intellectually. He can understand it better when we use code readability.
Ashish, I think this is a great code. So why did you exactly do this code?
So to calculate maths,
So do you find max difficult?
yeah,
So it is useful for you.
yeah.
Yeah. So it's a great. I like it. So this code. Okay. Can you explain the arithmetical operations that you use here? You use for any other arithmetic operation you know, except the four of this.
Yeah, I know the power to the power of,
Oh yeah. Okay.
raise it to the power of.
Okay. What is the use of comment?
Comment it. You because you created the code, you know how to use what is the use of it. But when you give the code to another person, they don't know what it's about. Like the people who don't know about Python. So when we use this code readability, they can read this and they can understand. So here the first code readability, you have to type the number that you want to calculate, and you have to type the second number that you want to calculate. And in subtraction, you have to type the number that you want to calculate, and this must be larger, or else it is going to be giving negative numbers.
Okay. Ashish, do you know about float and floor division?
Yeah,
Can you explain it to me?
float is going to give in decimal points,
Yeah.
and floor is not going to be decimal points, but it rounds the figure.
Yeah.
Like if it is 1.25, it's gonna show 1.1. If it's 1.999, it's gonna show 2.
Yeah. Then what is the use of Python? Why it is used?
To program, to understand, to create things such as like these codes which are useful to us.
Now I'm asking what we can do by using the Python, this language. Can we build any apps?
Yeah, we can. I guess so. I don't know.
So Python, it is used to create games, web application, software, etc. Okay, that is the use of Python.
Mhm.
Okay. Thank you. This was a great code. I think it will be useful for everyone. Okay, thank you, Ashish. Now, Rohit, can you share your project?
Yes, sister.
Yeah, okay.
Sister, it is visible.
Can you share it once again? It's not visible.
Sister, no.
Yeah, I can. Yeah, it is.
So I used in these mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, float. First here I did addition, then here subtraction and multiplication, division, and here float, but I did not get the value here. And here I code some like what is your favorite color, and the code is what's blue. Then I used string age 13. Then I use print sentence. I'm 13 years old. Then input what's your name, print hello my name, and I get what in Rohit.
So I think, Rohit, you could have combined all the codes and made a single code. So everybody did like that. So I think you could have done it. Okay, it's okay. But what you have done, it is good. But next time when you do a project, you can combine all the things what you have learned and you can make a single code out of it. Is that clear?
Yes,
Okay. So did you send this to the leader?
yes, Pranav brother, I sent it.
Okay. So once again, you can combine all the codes and you can send it once again. Okay. Is that fine?
Okay, sister.
Okay. So what is float you used there? What is float? Why we are using float?
To convert the value into numbers like decimal points.
Yeah, fine. Okay. What are the two data types?
Input
No.
string,
Yeah, string and
integer.
yeah, it's correct. So string and integer. Can you explain what is string and integer?
String is used to like in mathematical operations.
No. Oh yeah, correct. Sorry, I'm so very sorry. Yeah, string is used to mathematical. Then no, sorry, string is not used in mathematical operations. String is characters. String is words. Like string is hello.
Like
And,
quotes or double quotes.
yeah, string is words and integer is numbers. The mathematical operations. Okay, understood.
Yes.
Okay. Then what is the use of Python? Just now I asked for Ashish. We can say the answer.
It is used for creating games,
Yeah.
software,
Yeah.
and websites.
Yeah. Okay. Why Python is popular?
For coding language programming.
No, why it is popular?
Don't know, sister.
So Python is popular because of it is easy. So Python is in English and it is easy for the beginners to use. So it is popular language. Okay, thank you, Rohit. That was a great assignment. So don't forget to combine the code.
Okay, sister.
Okay, next, who is ready? So I think Pragna, Alan, Ashish, Trisha, then Rohit. Only 5 of them. Then Lekana. Lekana. Lekana, are you here?
Hi, sister.
Sir, you didn't done the assignments? The project have you done?
So I did it, but sister, because of internet issues, I cannot share it right now. Yeah, I did it, but because of internet issues, I cannot share it right now.
So can you send it to me?
The meeting is just logging out and logging in from that time.
Okay, after the class, can you share the assignment with me?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, fine. Then Godwin,
Hello, sister.
Yeah.
is that okay? Godwin, did you submit your assignment?
Yes, sister.
So can you share it and can you explain the code?
Sister, can you give 2 minutes?
Yeah, of course. Then Kavita, is Kavita here? Okay.
Yes, Angelina.
So did you submit your assignments?
I'm your instructor.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't
It's
know.
okay. Yeah, you're doing good.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. I'm observing you're doing good. Hello.
Okay. Dhanalakshmi,
Okay, carry on.
Yeah, sister.
did you submit the assignment?
Yes, sister.
Okay, can you share the screen and can you explain it to me?
Sister, my project is a little bit wrong, so after the class I'll make you the new project and I'll send you.
It's okay. What you have done, you can share it. If it is wrong, I will correct it.
Yeah, sister, 2 minutes.
Yeah, okay.
Sister, is that visible?
Yeah, it is.
Sister, here I'm asking what is the hobby and what are the competitions, and in the school, how many members are there?
Yeah.
So in hobby, what is your hobby input I gave? So the output is your hobby is drawing. Then the competition, running, long jump, etc. The length of the competitions, then print competitions. Then the competitions are running, long jump, like that.
Yeah.
Then school is equal to principal, teacher, student, length of the school, and print the school. And we'll get the output as principal, teachers, and students. That's his sister.
So, why did you actually do this code? Is there any reason? It's okay, you can share. Like in your own words, you can.
Oh, okay, sister. To show what is your hobby and to show what is the competitions are held, and in school, principal, teacher, students are there like that.
Okay, fine. So you use input and length. So I think you could have used more things. Like you have learned a lot, like variables you learned,
Yes,
operations, input, string, and float and flow division. Everything you could have included here.
yes, sister. Sister, after the class, I'll make the new assignment and I'll send you.
Yeah. Okay. So what is the use of Python?
Python is used to develop websites, software, games, etc.
Okay. Why the Python is so popular?
Because that is very easy.
Mm-hmm. Why it is easy?
Because the codes are very easy and that is in English, so
Yeah.
everyone can understand that.
So what are variables?
Sister,
What are variables?
variables means like 1 minute, sister. I have some network issue.
Yeah. It's okay. You can take your own time.
Sister, am I audible?
Yeah, you are.
Sister, variables means like letters.
Can you explain it more detailedly?
Sister, variable means like x is equal to 42. The variable is like x.
So what is the definition? I'm asking the definition. Do you know the definition of variable? So do you know
Yes.
it?
So 1 minute. I'm getting little bit confusion.
So I'll give you a clue. It is a storing value.
Sister, variables are the containers.
Yeah, you got it. So variables are the container to store the data values.
Yes, sister.
So don't forget it. So the code is you can combine it and you can add more things what you learned like operators, float, and the variables. Everything you can add it and make a single code. Is that fine?
Okay, sister.
Yeah, thank you.
Welcome, sister. Sister, can I stop sharing?
Yeah, you can. Sana,
Yes, sister.
did you do your assignment?
Yes, sister.
Can you share it now and can you explain about it?
But sister, it is somewhat wrong, I think so.
It's okay. You can share it.
Yeah, okay. Sister, can you see my screen, sister?
No. Can you do it once again?
Okay, sister. Sister, maybe in my phone network problem, so I am taking screenshot from my laptop and I am explaining it.
Yeah, if you find it difficult, you can send it to me and I'll share the screen for you.
Okay, sister.
Okay, Godwin, are you ready to share your screen?
Yes, sister.
Okay, now you can. Sana, you can send to me.
Hello. Hello, sister. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are.
First, I use the print function to type hello. Then again, I use the print option. Then I printed this project is about total price of the fruits. Then I use index. Uh, then I gave the value for I is like I am a student of. Then I type W and give the value WeJump. But the spelling is wrong here. So then I give the value J and use the index. Then I print I plus J. Then these are the names of fruits. So they are this. Uh, this is the price of each fruit. Then it prints the total price of the fruits. Then this is the output.
Okay. So, can you scroll down? Can you explain the seventh and eighth line to everyone? The J is equal to W0, that one, colon 2.
There I used index.
Yeah. Can you explain it more detailedly?
I uh, I made a error here in this part. So I wanted a capital J here. So then I'm accessing particular. I'm accessing it. Then I gave the I replaced small J with capital J.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. The code is really good. So, why do you do it? Like, is there any reason?
No reason.
Okay. So, what is index?
Accessing a specific part of a variable.
Oh, okay. So, what is the use of comment?
So when uh, when another person reads our code, he doesn't understand anything. So we use comments to tell about our project.
Yeah, fine. Then, okay, do you know about list?
System.
Okay, can you explain about the variables?
So variable is a container.
Yeah.
We give a type of value like j like I equals I'm a student of vision.
So what is the use of variables? What it contains? You are told variables is a container. So what it contains?
It contains the value we have given to
Yeah.
that specific
It
variable.
contains a data value. So remember, variable is a container that what stores the data value. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yeah, the code is really good. You have done a great job. So thank you. Sana, have you sent the code?
No, sister. Now I will share my screen.
Yeah, fine, you can.
Sister, I have took the screenshot of it. So first about my profile of my friends. I have written my friend's name. Afterwards I wrote length. Int means integer. After that I have given brackets and I wrote input. Then enter the length of the friends. After that I took mathematical operations. A is equals to 2, B is equals to 5, C is equals to 3. So print input A plus C. Then again print input is equals to A multiplied by B. Then print input is equals to A is equals to B. Then print input is equals to A divided by B. Then I have took the variable as 30 divided by 20. It is in float division. So float is equals to new variable. Next floor I took 30 floor is equals to 40. Then print floor and float. After that I took favorite color. Input what is your favorite color? Print is equals to favorite color. After that then I took the base and the height. Then the base is equals to 20, then height is equals to 50. So the formula is equals to A is equals to triangle area is equals to base and height. Then I have given the print area of a triangle. Again then I have given username is equals to input. Then I have given my name. Then print is equals to user age. Then I have given the age.
So
Again
can you scroll down?
yeah.
Yeah. So here, okay, here area is equal to triangle area. The formula of this one is base into height. So there you should use the into. Then you should use the input or you should give a variable. So you can use the input. You can ask the user to enter any value. Then you can write down the formula that is base into height. Then you can tell the code to just multiply it. So here you should give the input or you should give the variables. You give the variables and the formula is wrong. We can correct the formula and
Yeah,
you can just send it to me. After it is wrong, I will correct it again. You can just change the formula
sister,
and you can.
actually, I have created another one. That one is in my laptop, but my laptop is in school. So
Yeah, fine. Yeah, okay. So I guess everybody had shown the assignments and explained.
Yeah. Is everything over?
Yeah.
Yeah. How was today's class? Ashish.
Today's class was better. So Angelina checked everyone's project
Hmm.
and said about them and given advice for the people who did wrong and said them how to correct it.
Your experience. They asked, how was your experience, Ashish?
It was good.
Good. What about others?
It was good.
It was good.
It's good.
Yeah. Did everyone get your takes? What you have done? Perfect. So, so we have we have completed all the sorry, not all the course. The course level 1 for level 1 students and level 2 for level 2 students. So a few members will be promoting. Yeah, we'll be repeating. Yeah. So we have completed the class early today. I guess first time. Yeah. So even level 2 only Bharat. I guess members are less today in the class. Like only 17 members are there. Still level 1 members should attend. So yeah. Thank you everyone. That was today's class. Yeah, let's meet next week. I guess we'll be starting new level from next week.
Brother,
Thank
level
you.
3.
Yeah. Those who will get promoted, yeah, for them next level. Thank you.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank
brother.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thanks,
brother.
sister.
How many students attended actually? Students. How many students attended?
Maybe 8 or 9. Level 1, 8 or 9. Yes.
There were 17 members. 13 minus to 15, 15 minus 3, 13. I guess 10 to 12 members have attended the meeting.
Oh, 2 members was teachers, the instructors and the teacher.
Yeah, so I guess, yeah, excluding that 10 members. So then, did everyone do the project?
No, except 2 already.
What was their Python level of understanding?
They should improve more. They don't know the definition of the subject or the concept, but they will give examples to explain the code.
Yeah. But they have understood the topic,
Yeah.
but they can't articulate it. They know how to use also.
They know how to use and they know what it is, but they don't know how to define it or explain it.
Yeah. Python knowledge, how many of you can?
Can you repeat it?
Can you, how many of them can be promoted?
Maybe 5 to 6. Wait, 5 to 6.
Sorry, Thanishka is also joining. Yeah. Level 2 only have attended. I would rate this Python knowledge 8 out of 10.
Pranav, actually, I'm not hearing you properly.
I'm not audible.
Yeah, now you are. Now you are.
Can't hear me.
A little bit.
Even now,
Yeah, I can. Now I can.
I was sitting at the very back.
Yeah.
One second. Sorry.
You guys were discussing about what?
Yeah, we were discussing about how the class went and their Python knowledge.
Oh, Leo didn't join today.
Yeah, he didn't even see my message. That's what I was saying now. Did he see or what? He didn't even pick my call. Yeah. In level 2 only, in level 2 only Bharat attended.
Yeah, can you stop recording?